Hi there. If you've been following my videos for any length of time, you will know that there's a lot of things I don't like about these modular buildings behind me. From the roof penetration points to the membrane installation itself or the flashing. It's always something. And I have to do a repair on these downspouts, or on one of them that was damaged. And just looking at the way it was installed, while that doesn't really have anything to do with the damage itself, I think somebody ran into it. It's just another example of how poorly some things were done.
Buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
So the one I'm repairing is on the right at the bottom. But if you look at these two downspouts, they've got to be 25 feet long. And the one on the left has one clamp around it, meaning that its main holding points are on the scupper drains themselves at the top and the storm drain entrance at the very bottom. And on the right side, one clamp on the upper part of the vertical section, and there's only a second clamp because the downspout portion that goes into the ground is 4 feet over. And if you look at the pipe, you can actually see how much of a bow that it's got in it. I would have even maybe put a couple of clamps up at the top there to keep the weight of the whole pipe off that flex point right down there. The guys just weren't thinking when they installed this stuff. Either that or they didn't know any better. Anyways, what I'm doing today is pretty simple. Somebody ran into the piping down here, broke it, and so I've had to make a new piece, which I've done, and I'll just glue that in place and call it a day. Fitting the new piece in will be pretty simple. I'll just use a coupling joint right here. Here though, I'm gonna have to try and carefully remove this broken off piece from the green pipe. So hopefully they didn't do too good a job of gluing it, because I have to remove that in such a way so that I can glue this piece down over top of it. I want to clean up the burrs around here a little bit, so I'm going to go grab a rag, maybe a small piece of sandpaper. Hopefully the series of relief cuts that I've made around the bell here will allow me to break these pieces free. Just like that, actually. Okay. This may work. Sometimes I get accused of overthinking things, but I'd rather overthink than underthink.
Don't you think?
Now, ABS pipe is a little different than PVC pipe. ABS is the black stuff. PVC is the green stuff, or the white stuff. They're both PVC. The difference is you use a different kind of glue, and the other step you have to take with PVC piping is this purple stuff that I'm putting on here. What it is a primer. And it doesn't have to be wet, you know, like when you glue it, you just put it on and call it a day. But what it does is it cleans and prepares the surface of the pipe so that the glue will react properly. All right, we are back in business. Whatever that business happens to be. The business of making rain from the roof go down the hole. That's the business. Thanks for watching.